In conclusion, my brothers and sisters in Islam, don't wait for the ideal circumstance in your life to come about, to begin planning for your religion and to organize your life and to live by a goal. Don't wait for the opportunity to arise. Rather, engineer the circumstances that are required for your flourishing and for your success with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Don't be that man or woman who tumbles through life and waits for doors to open up. Be the one who takes command of their life and makes the opportunities and opens the door, and a person who does things even though they feel that they are not yet ready for it. Build your home in the hereafter and be organized when doing so. And here is a suggestion as per how you can do that. Number one, begin with the end in mind. Begin by setting the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal is to please Allah Almighty and enter Jannah. We should be in agreement. This is our objective. Once you've set that goal, move to step number 2. Begin some introspection. Ask yourself some tough questions now. Grill yourself. Who am I? What are my skills? What are my passions? Don't say I don't have any. Don't you dare accuse Allah Almighty of not giving you the skills needed to enter Jannah. Enough of that. What are my passions? What are my skills? What am I good at? What was I praised for as a young man? What did my parents say about me? What did my friends say about me? What am I? What am I not? What am I good at? What am I not good at? What can I be? What will I never be? Who am I? Once you've found the answer to that question, move on to phase number 3, and that is set an Islamic project of some sort that will define the rest of your life, at least the next 20 or 30 years of your life, where your sleepless nights and your anxiety and your worries and your dua and your spending and your socializing, your interacting and your networking is all governed and obsessed with this idea of living on a project that is different to the medic, different to the engineer, different to the mother at home, different to the taxi driver, different to the teacher and educator. What is your project? What will be the mahr? What will be the dowry that you will offer Allah Almighty on the Day of Judgment to justify your pleas for Jannah? These are the people who will be the happiest on Yawm al-Qiyamah. Those who are ordered, those who are organized, those who are driven by a goal. These are the men and women whom when they pass away, those 4 individuals will stand and they will sing in their praise, and most importantly, when they stand before Allah Almighty, Allah Almighty will look at him and her and say, for a person like you and an impression that you left behind you, there is no home that befits you except Jannah. May Allah Almighty allow that to be a conversation that we hear on Yawm al-Qiyamah, where He, Allah Almighty, tells us there is no home suitable for us than Jannah.